crack a geode. I'm cracking a geode. Get cracked, geode. This geode isn't opening. It only has one opening. Look at it. There's crystals inside. There's crystals inside.
Okay.
I need to open it more. They can't see it. Yeah, they can see it now. Look! I cracked it open and look! It's a geode. It's the geode's crystals. But I only have 2 pieces. I want 3. Oh, I actually got 3 pieces now.
Okay. Sige na.
Look.
Ikaw na dito.
Okay. The light. I love you. Eruption. Eruption powder.
Yeah.
Can you open this? Oh, hello, bee. Can you please open this for me? It's not opening. See? Open.
Pagini.
Huh?
Pagini yan ang martilyo.
Huh?
Pagini yan ang martilyo. Oh.
Can you please get the water? Okay. You have to open it carefully and pour some in.
Sige pa, puni pa.
That's enough.
Okay.
Now, it needs some citric acid. Oh. Citric acid.
A bit more. It's ready.
Water. I'll just have it there.
Okay?
Yeah, do it. Stop! It's starting! More citric acid. More citric acid. Need some more citric acid. And there you go. And some more eruption powder too. Look. Look from this angle. It's slowly going down. We need a little bit of more water. Let's stop. More citric acid. What more do you think we need? Do you think we need more?
Ikaw?
You are. I ask you. More citric acid and eruption powder. They need both more. Look at it coming down from my angle.
Yeah.
It's still got some eruption powder in.
It's a big bubble there.
Actually, I don't need to wear this anymore anyway.
Imo
I don't need to.
goggles?
Okay, should we put in some more
Ikaw?
of both? Go! We need more water. Did it work? Oh, never mind. Be gone, bee. Be gone. Oh. Some more eruption powder. We need more water. More water, more water, more water. Ugh. This is awesome. Look at it. Look at it over there. Where's the eruption Oh, never mind. I just saw it. More water, more water. Look at it. I need to wear this. Just in case, because... Yeah.
Pakita sila. Unsa na yung gibutan?
I put in some more citric acid and eruption powder, but we need more water. More water. Okay. More eruption powder. It's hard.
That's it. Say bye.
Bye. This was awesome.